Tired of frustration during flexible endoscope repairs? IEC is introducing a game-changing lineup of unique tools and jigs designed specifically for technicians like you. Say goodbye to lost screws. Our innovative screw holder keeps even the smallest components secure during disassembly and assembly. Compartments with magnets ensure nothing goes astray, saving you costly time. Place the control body free of damage on your workbench with our custom-designed jig. This holder firmly secures the entire control set with the full control knob assembly in place. No more sliding or dropping, just stable, hands-free access for your precise repairs. Dealing with stubborn epoxy on the brake knob, right-left adjustment frame and stopper nut, while saving the pins on your brake knob opening tool. Using our specialized heating tool makes the job easier and safer. It precisely covers the control knob, with a dedicated opening for targeted heat application using a hand torch, protecting the delicate plastic components. Our upper control body stand provides a stable platform for working on the upper section without the control knob assembly. The exposed knob shaft allows for easy manipulation and access.